Welcome to another plotterroot.com tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the mobile version of our route planner. The best way to access plotterroot.com on a mobile device is to install the Plotterroot app, which is what I'm using here. But you can also access plotterroot.com in the normal way, using any web browser. You can find instructions for installing the app under the navigation menus. So, I've signed in and then I selected Plotterroot to load the route planner, which is what you can see here. If you're used to using the desktop version of the route planner, you'll notice that the mobile version has a familiar interface. However, there are some important differences, which I'll take you through in a moment. In the top left corner is the main navigation menu. Under here, there are a number of options for creating and finding routes, as well as links to other helpful information. You'll find this menu in all the pages on the mobile app. To close the menu, just touch the menu icon again or touch the map. In the top right hand corner is the settings icon. The mobile app has all the same settings as the main website, plus one extra one called Plot on Drag. I'll explain what this does shortly. At the side of the map you can see two buttons labelled Plot and Undo, and in the centre of the map is a crosshair. As it's hard to plot accurately by touching the map with your finger, the mobile app takes a different approach to plotting points. Instead, you effectively fire a point to the map using the crosshair and plot button. I'll demonstrate this in a moment. In the bottom left-hand corner is a Toolbox icon. This gives you access to various plotting and editing functions. In the centre of the bottom, we have the Auto Plot buttons for activating automated plotting by road, on foot and by bike. To the right of this is a slider icon, which toggles the display of the position slider. Dragging this will show you the distance at points along any route you've plotted. In the top right corner, just above the map, is a route menu icon. It displays the same options that you see on the main website. This includes elevation profiles and directions for your route, as well as options to save, print, share and download it. Below this menu is a distance counter, which shows you the length of your route, and to the left of this is a map type selector. There are a number of different types of maps that you can choose from. Lastly, there are three icons in the top left corner of the map. The bottom two enable you to zoom into the current position of the slider or to zoom out to see the whole route. The other one is for searching for a map location, which is what we're going to do now. Now we can zoom in closer to the exact spot where we want to start off by pinch zooming with our fingers. To plot a point, I aim the crosshair at the correct place on the map and press the plot button. Then I drag the map and do the same again. As with the desktop site, I can use the auto plot options to automatically plot points for me along roads and paths. As you can see, it's quite straightforward. However, we can make it even simpler by turning on the Plot on Drag feature in the settings. This is turned on by default. It should already be on when you use the mobile route planner for the first time. Now I've turned on the Plot on Drag feature, you'll notice that the symbol on the plot button has been changed to a red dot, much like a record button. When I press this, automatic plotting is engaged, and points will be plotted automatically every time I drag the map. If you want to move the map without plotting points, just disengage the plot button by pressing it once more. This is a really quick way to plot points on a touchscreen device, particularly when used in combination with the auto plot options. To find existing routes near our map location, you just need to select Find a Route from the main menu. The number of routes found in the vicinity is shown above the map. Clicking on one of the icons will bring up a route preview, which we can then select to see the full details of the route if we wish. There is also an option to see the search results in a list view. which we can filter by typing in the filter box above the list. We can also sort and filter the results in lots of other ways, using the icons at the bottom of the screen. To go back to plotting routes again, you just need to select Plot a Route from the main menu. That's it for this tutorial. There are many more features to explore, but hopefully I've given you a quick overview to get you started. You can also check out our how-to guides for more help and advice.